campsite. I just turned the heat on because Mata's cold, and the heat came on. Everything is working as it should. Everything is working fine, and I'm actually in a better mood right now. So right now I got to get out and put our site together. Right now this is what it's looking like, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna set it up. That's our fire pit over there. We're gonna set it up nice so it's like a little home here, you know what I mean? So this is the whole campgrounds. It's pretty nice. I've seen worse. It's all right. There's some campers out here though. That's cool. And like I say, we just here. I don't know if we got TV reception here. I'm gonna check it. Let's see here. Wonder if we have TV reception. Winding down day one of our first camping trip of the year. Just sitting here editing videos, looking at Rambo. Mata's over there in the bed, playing on her phone, and right now just chilling. Okay, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. We had a high wind advisory. I would have recorded, but I had to hurry and get outside and let my awning in because it was blowing. I thought it was gonna rip off the thing, and it's high winds right now. So and it's blowing hard. Very high winds out tonight. Crazy. 3 o'clock in the morning. Okay, it's day 2. We slept like crap because the wind kept shaking the whole camper. We'll get up, get some breakfast, and then go out and explore Brighton recreation area. Okay, right now we'll get a little something to eat. We like to keep those in the camper for emergencies. We just boil water and cook it right there. I got me a little coffee here, and I got one too. Okay, it's cold outside. It's like 45 degrees. That's why I'm layering up. It's important to put on multiple layers. Like I got on this t-shirt, I'm gonna put on like this long john shirt, and then I'm gonna put on this other t-shirt on top of that. Then my jacket and my hat, because it's cold, really cold. So that's what I'm doing right now. It's not just 45 degrees, it's raining. That's horrible. But I need to go out. I have to be outside, like a Viking. Now Mata, on the other hand, Mata's doing something totally different camping. This is different camping here. Watch this. See, this is that other camping. Is that how we camping, Mata?
See, this is my camping life. We chill out on my bed. I am tropical woman, not like that. Colder here, like that. How I handle my colder. Chill out.
And of course the heat is
go
on.
Where we, oh my thing.
Let's go jump in the lake now.
And
we got to do it. Go outside, jump in the lake, just scream, Beowulf!
No.
Beowulf!
I am from Panama, tropical warm country.
But you Mrs. Turner right now.
Yeah.
You got to go outside. Scream, Turner!
And let, now we never.
let's go over here. They're gonna be in this tent tonight.
Yeah, where's the heater out here?
I'm gonna interview you guys. I'm gonna interview you guys in the morning to see if you were freezing like a motherfucker. I know.
That is not worthy.
No, I'm gonna take one of your blankets.
Y'all gotta put. You know what y'all need to do? Y'all need to take one, the biggest one, and put it down on the ground because the ground is gonna be. Yeah, the ground is gonna be the coldest thing.
Shut
up.
Indian woman.
Why you carry you?
We are getting ready for the night. Fire's going. It is, what time is it? Let me see what time it is. Right now it is 7:46. Come on, shorty. Get that work in. Get that work in. There you go. There we go. Look at that man. That's a wilderness man. Manly man. Look at that.
Whole fucking tree.
Goddamn tree. Yeah. Keep the fire going.
Not that.
Okay.
Yeah. Got this twig shit.
Yep. You look like you cold, bruh.
Freezing.
Yeah.
But I'm alright. You know?
Got your little jacket on and shit. Yeah.
This jacket's warm as hell. Don't doubt it.
Don't doubt it. That's all right. They got 1,000 blankets in there you can put on while we out here. Just grab one of the blankets.
Warm. It's my face that's cold.
Yeah, hell yeah. He might have hooked you up.
She had just hooked me
Got
up.
the deer skin.
Nah, I'm
She's
ready.
a squaw Indian and shit. You know?
Damn. There we go. Oh, yeah.
Squaw.
Take it back.
We got a fire going now, baby.
We're doing a helicopter.
There you go.
Take it back.
There you go. Helicopter trick. What's love got to do? Got to do. Okay, our mini adventure is over, and we're packing up to get out of here. We're connecting up, getting hooked up here, and that's it. Turn that heat off. Just put your power button till it go off. Okay, we're all tied up. We out of here. Right now I'm just stopping at a dump station. We did use the bathroom, so I have to dump the bathroom out. Okay, and that is that. That's how it's done. Yo, what happened to that garbage? You did it? I was about to say, I thought I dropped it. I'm like, oh. Okay, hold on. You gotta leave it as you found it. That's the rule. Now, we're going home. So that's it. Okay, let's go home. Yeah. Thank you, baby. You're such a good wife. Oh, no, I'm cold.